What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick video. This is the second or third time I'm doing this, but I made the other ones way too long, so we'll just get to it. The quick hitch from Harbor Freight, you can look back on my videos. I've had this for quite a while. It would not directly hook into this new tiller that I have. This is a 5-foot king cutter tiller. So first of all, this top link here, I needed to machine off, I can't remember. I needed to machine off a little bit because it was too wide to fit in this top link. The bottom was just your regular category 1. And so with the quick hitch, they had these category 3 that need to fit in there. As you can tell, there's quite a big difference between the category 3 or 2 versus the category 1. Category 1 is a 7/8 inch. So what I originally did was I had this piece, it was solid stock, and I was drilling it out and my tailstock broke. So I'm not really able to drill out 3 more of these. You can buy the quick hitch bushings at Tractor Supply. They had them in stock for like 30 bucks. I got thinking that's way too much. So I tried to make my own. I had some solid stock, and this would have worked. I got 7/8 inch hole, and I got it to about here, but I need it to come all the way over here. And then I just drill a hole for the pin, like a roll pin, and this would have worked, but I broke the tailstock. So these were too expensive to get from Tractor Supply. Believe it or not, I ordered it from Walmart online. They're $3.60 each. The only problem is that they didn't come with a roll pin. If you buy the one from Tractor Supply as a kit, it comes with the roll pin in there. They do sell the roll pins by themselves, but they're like $5 each. So I wasn't going to do that. So what I wound up doing was I tack welded one in here, but I actually had a bolt that went all the way through. I cut off the head of it, welded that, and cut off the bottom piece where the screw was sticking out, or the bolt was sticking out. Cut that off and then welded that too. I need to put paint on there just to keep it from rusting, but you see, got both of those. And as you can see, this doesn't really move around. And all this is really for is to keep this from sliding off. It doesn't have any effect on the strength or anything like that. So I hadn't had to use my box blade in a while, but all I did with this is that you can buy the category 2 pins to put in, and that's what I've used on this and my 5-foot brush hog. Just put category 2 pins in there. Now you can use your standard category 1, but it makes a lot of noise. It's a lot of rattling around and all that stuff. It'll work, but you really want that thing to be in there nice and solid. So basically what that would have done was it would have slid over that, and it'd be a big bushing. And this is I think the OD, or the outside diameter, was 1.5 inches. So really other than these bushings, the only other modification I had to do was I had to slice off. This was too thick. I had to slice off a little bit here, and I sliced off a little bit here. Here you can see the gap, and that's fine. I need to go on that side and grind off a little bit more. The other thing I had to do, other than making this smaller, was I loosened this up and pulled this out. This spacer right here can walk a little bit, I guess. There's quite a bit of room in there. So this is just flat stock, and it's just 90-degree angle. So what I did was I basically just cut the corner off. I can't see that. So as long as this is in between here, it doesn't have any problem. I do have to jar it a little bit with that, but like I said, I'm going to get that fixed. So if you don't want to switch all of your pins over to the category 2 or 3, or buy these bushing kit, let me show you another option. So once I get this side shaved down, it shouldn't have any problems dropping off. It's just kind of getting stuck. Okay, so the other thing that you can do if you don't want to change out all your pins is you can get little pieces of round stock, and I just had some rebar, but cut them. I can see how this goes, but just fill all of this in, like all the way around, and then whenever you put your bottom link pin or whatever you want to call it, it should take out a lot of that slop. And obviously you can put however many you need to fit what you want. If I hadn't done my other two with the category 2 pin, I probably would have done this. Would have made it a lot easier. But I still need to grind this off, and that's it. So that's kind of the modifications that I had to do. Link will be in the description. Like I said, you can buy it at Tractor Supply, but it's quite a bit more expensive. I found it online on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link down there. If you get it that way, I think it was like 16 bucks, so still a whole lot cheaper. But if you want to get it from Walmart, I'll see if I can still find that link, and I'll put it down in the description as well. But you do have to have your own pins for that to work. Now that I went through that real quick, hopefully that'll show you how to modify your quick hitch to adapt. See, I got 4 different attachments now, so it'll fit all 4 of them once I fix those minor details. It should fit all those pretty easily now. That's it for now. Y'all comment, rate. I will put on some more of the old footage if you want to keep watching. So if you guys care to keep watching, I'll put in the story of why I have all of this and my kind of thinking behind that. I don't remember if I had any welding videos or anything like that, but yeah, so once you put those in there, then just weld it up. Since all the weight is coming down and back whenever you're pulling, it should be plenty of meat on there. But yeah, so here comes the longer version, or the bonus footage. I don't know if you'd call it that or not. It's just more of me talking and more of the other video that I'm including in this. So hopefully the beginning of this video is fast enough, or gets as quick to the point. Hopefully you'll get the point quicker than I normally do. And alright, y'all comment, rate. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.